Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing. With spring cleaning begins with winter storage. I know, it's probably a little too early to start thinking about spring cleaning and a little too late to think about winter storage. But it's always a great time to think about making your life easier. How you store and organize things this season will make your life easier next season. And that includes spring cleaning. According to the American Cleaning Institute, getting rid of clutter would eliminate 40% of housework in the average home. Now, decluttering is only a part of organizing, but it's a big part. And cleaning is only a part of housework, but it's a big part. So let's start by looking at some obvious examples of how decluttering makes cleaning easier. You can't clean a cluttered floor. You can't clean a cluttered surface, your number one organizing tool. And you can't clean the windows if you can't access them. The more clutter you have, the more dust gets trapped. For a great spring clean, you'll want to open the windows and let fresh spring air in to circulate throughout your home and circulate out the musty winter air. Circulation is something that can happen in all seasons in a well-organized home. And that's the focus of my book, The Circulation Solution. To keep your floors, surfaces, and window access clear, the stuff in your home needs a plan for movement in a series of manageable, reliable stages. The most critical areas to keep clearable and cleanable are the work surfaces because they represent the arenas for processing. A launch pad by your door is also essential, so you keep things moving out. Seasonal items may also be stored in your basement. Maybe it's outdoor furniture cushions away for the winter or holiday supplies away for the summer. In either case, you'll make your life easier if you don't use the floor to store. Wherever possible, look for shelving and hanging solutions. When the floor is clear, you not only make it easier to clean, but you give yourself easy access to items in storage. One important concept that I talk about in my book that is relevant to seasonal storage is the idea of showroom versus stockroom. Getting organized isn't just about purging what you don't need. It's also about prioritizing what you're keeping. In short, you have to deprioritize items in your stockroom spaces, garage, attic, basement, to free up space in your living areas or showroom space. This includes seasonal storage. You can fit more in your stockroom spaces, but they must never be used for hiding things. Visible, accessible stockroom spaces will make it easier to trust that you can store things more remotely. As a result, you can keep less in the showroom spaces and free up floors and surfaces so that they are easier to clean. Spring cleaning is a great time for spring clearing. And for donating clothes you didn't use all season. Circulate the old out so you can circulate the new in. Paper files that you have held on to just in case for a few years can circulate out after April 15th, after taxes are settled. Refreshing your home for the spring is a great feeling, but it can be a lot of work. However, circulating your items in and out of a well-organized storage system makes this season and all seasons easier. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.